How to change first day of week on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your iPhone. Once you're here, scroll down until you find the General option and tap on it. Inside the General menu, scroll down until you find and tap on Language and Region. This section allows you to manage the iPhone language, region formats, and other related settings for your device. On the Language and Region screen, scroll down to find and tap on the first day of week option. You will now see a list of days from Sunday to Saturday. Simply tap on your preferred day to set it as the first day of the week. A blue check mark will appear next to your selection, confirming the change has been saved. Following these steps, you can easily change the first day of the week on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.